going after it, always going after it, always going after it. And if there's a challenge that ensues, oh, good, I want to see how I stack up to that. So you go after it, you go after it.
Five-time champion, the only guard to play with one team for 20 years.
You know, I don't quit. I keep pushing and pushing and pushing and see if I can figure this damn thing out. That's who I am, and I'll try my best, and I'll keep on going, man.
It's been a long career, 17 years. It's hard to pinpoint in my professional career the things that I'm most proud of. I think it's fun. No, it's definitely not over, but it's fun to kind of challenge, from a 17-year-old kid and kind of challenge what's normal or what the system was. That was pretty cool.
Like you're always going after it. Always going after it, always going after it. And if there's a challenge that ensues, oh, good, I want to see how I stack up to that. So you go after it, you go after it. And it's just, it's fun. It's like you get a chance to compete against opponents, and you get a chance to see where you stack up against them. It's like, I want to see. Maybe I'm not good enough today. If that's fine. I'll be good enough the next time I see you, though. And you get a chance to always measure yourself. And it's just fun to do that.
Well, it's been tough, but when I have tough situations, I try to look at them as challenges. I don't look at them as something where it becomes a burden or something that's heavy on my shoulders. I look at it as a challenge. It's something that, it's just a puzzle that you have to figure out no matter what.